Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing a garage door spring. I have one that broke, the other one's good. These are the springs that run perpendicular to the plane of the garage door. And this is the old spring. You can see where it broke right there. So this is a single car garage door, so that's why I bought this 110-pound spring. If you have a two-car garage door, it's going to be a heavier door, and you're going to need a heavier spring. And there's a guide on here that shows you what spring to use for different weights of doors. It's made by Everbilt, made in communist China. The only hardware you get are the two springs, plus there's a cable. Cable's jammed in there. I'll get that out. So this is a good spring. This is how it's configured. The spring has an anchor on the on a rail, and it goes down. There's a pulley for the cable. So the cable is connected to the rail. And the other end of the cable is connected to the door to counterbalance the weight of the door. So you want to have the garage door open to take the tension off the springs, and also you should unlatch it and pull the door, retract the door even further along the rail so that you'll have less force to stretch the spring out. In other words, you want the spring as relaxed as possible so that you're not fighting it. So I'm going to relax it, and then I'm going to put a C-clamp behind one of these wheels so the door doesn't close on me. I got the door open as far as it goes, and I got the C-clamp wedged in there to keep the door from closing. The old hardware got lost, so I'm going to put a new piece in. Okay, this part's ready. So for this old pulley, I need to take this bolt out of here so that I could hang this end on the other end of the spring. So that's what this is going to look like. This end of the cable latches onto a bolt on the bottom of the door. Looks like that. This end of the cable gets the S-hook, and the S-hook gets latched into a hole on the frame. Okay, I've got that latched in, and the tension on the cable is not unlike the tension on the other side. I'm going to test the door, and if I need to tighten it up a little bit, I could certainly tighten the threads on that eyelet hook over there. Don't forget to remove that clamp before you attach the door to the trolley. Turns out I had to tighten that spring tension a lot more and move that S-clip all the way forward towards the frame of the garage. Look at that, running like a Swiss watch. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.